everyone, what is up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ella and in today's video we are going to be doing a haul. So predominantly I've got a lot of pieces from Zara. I've also got a few pieces from Gymshark. I've got some stuff from Tala. I've got some stuff from Nasty Gal. Like, I have got a lot of clothes to show you. Just before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. My handle is ella.houghton. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm going to start with all of my pieces from Zara because that is where I bought the most stuff. So the first piece that I picked up from Zara was this white strappy crop top. Now, this retails at £4.99. Can we have a moment of silence? £4.99 from Zara. And can I just tell you, the material on this, it's thick, it's comfortable, it's breathable. It's just a really nice material. Like, I feel like anyone could wear this and it would be flattering, just because it's one of those materials where you just know it's not going to cling to you, it's not going to be really uncomfortable. I usually even wear these tops without a bra. Honestly, you don't really need to. Well, I say that. Maybe if you've got bigger boobs you might need to, but I don't have particularly large boobs. So I actually picked up this top in 4 different colours because it was £4.99 and literally these tops are the kind of things that I live in. So I got it in a white, a blue, a black and a purple, and I will insert shots of me like trying them on here so you can see what they look like. But honestly, I'm so obsessed with these tops and they're such a bargain. They're so breathable and comfortable. You really just can't go wrong. And also, like, they're the kind of tops that you could wear day and night. Like, I can see myself wearing these to a lecture with some trackies and like dressing it down that way, or like jeans and a nice top for a night out. Like, you could wear like a denim jacket and some cute like ripped jeans and like dress it up with a load of jewellery, and it could look really classy at the same time. So I feel like these are just really versatile pieces for your wardrobe. I also picked up a few bodysuits from Zara. I'm not the biggest fan of bodysuits, I'm not gonna lie, just because I feel like they're just really uncomfortable, you know, like this whole situation when you got to go to the toilet is just so irritating. So I just don't bother with it, really. But I just thought that the material of this is really cute. So I picked it up in 3 different colours. I got it, and it's all this sort of like faded design, and it kind of looks like jeans. Like, you know when you get like faded Joni jeans, it kind of reminds me of that. I actually really like the texture of this bodysuit just because I thought it's a bit different, and again I can see myself dressing it up or down, like for a uni night out and for a lecture, so it works either way, which is so good. I also picked it up in this like nude colour. I've really been enjoying the neutral vibes recently. I feel like, you know, it's very Kim Kardashian, it's very like Skims kind of vibes. I love neutral colours at the moment. I feel like it's just really easy to dress them up or down, and also goes with most outfits and most colours. So yeah, I think this is really cute, and these retail at £12.99. I picked them all up in a size medium. So the only thing I would say is that they are a little bit baggy, like around the sides. I might hem them in and stitch them a little bit just so that they fit a bit better, but other than that, I am obsessed with this. So this top is from Zara's Limitless Contour collection, and oh my god, the material on this is so soft and so stretchy. I love it so much. The only thing I would say is that it's only in small to medium or medium to large. So I got small to medium, and I would say this is still quite large, like compared to most I don't know, compared to most strappy tops I've got. So if you're on the petite side or smaller than me, I mean, I'm like a size 10 up top and size 12 to 14 on bottom. So if you're smaller than that, then I don't know if this would necessarily fit you, only because they don't have much option in terms of sizing, which is not ideal. But I do like the way this fits on me. I just feel like, again, you can dress it up or down. I've tried to really buy some versatile pieces that I will be able to use in most situations, and like outfits that I won't just wear once, because I feel like in the past I've had a habit of buying things just because they're really trendy at the time, but like I'll never wear them again because they go out of fashion. And I'm trying to be much more sort of mindful of my choices when I'm buying clothes, because you know, save the planet and all that. You got to help the environment, and you got to slow down fast fashion, do you know what I mean? So buy pieces that will last a long time and that you really like. And also I believe that Zara is quite a sustainable brand, so Can't go wrong there. I think this top retailed at £7.99. So the next place that I shopped from was Nasty Gal. Now I didn't get loads of stuff from Nasty Gal, but I did pick up these stone joggers. Now you've probably already seen me wear these on my Instagram. Like I said, I've been really into my neutrals lately, and I've got some grey joggers, I've got some black joggers, but I've never had any like stone or beige kind of joggers. So I bought these, and I have to say they are really comfortable, and like the material is really thick and really like fleecy inside, which is really nice. However, the only thing I'll say is that it's the kind of you know, for us thick-thighed women, for those of us who have thick thighs and that whose thighs rub together, it kind of like bobbles. I don't know if you can see that. I feel like you can. It kind of like bobbles in between the legs where your legs rub together, and I find that that's not good because it probably means that they're not going to last a very long time. But I mean, for now, they'll do. Do you know what I mean? We're here for a good time, not a long time, as they say. I also picked up a pair of cycling shorts. Now, honestly, I'm not the biggest fan of these cycling shorts. Like, they really aren't that comfortable. They look like they're going to be really stretchy and really comfortable on, but they're honestly not. And they give you an almighty camel toe, let me tell you that. So I would try these on, but honestly, I don't want to give you a fright and give you nightmares, so I'm not going to. But yeah, honestly not a fan of these. These were £7.99, but I'm not going to recommend them because I really don't like them, and I will be sending these back because they're not up to speed. So the next place I shopped was actually Gymshark. If you watched my last vlog, then you will have heard me talking about these, but I really needed some new workout gear, you know, with the breakup and everything. I was like, you know, I want to get in shape. I want to feel a bit more, I want to feel a bit better about myself. I want to feel a bit more confident and, you know, go into this single life, you know, not with all the relationship flab, so to speak. So I thought I'm going to treat myself and buy myself some new workout gear to try, kind of help me on my way. And so the first thing I picked up were these black Gymshark leggings with the Gymshark branding on the back. These are the fit black leggings in black and charcoal, and they are so comfortable, they are so stretchy, and they look really small, but these are actually a medium and they fit me really well, and I really just like the design. It has this kind of like paneling detail, which I didn't realize it had on the website, but I do actually quite like it when it's on, and I find it gives you like a really sculpted look, which I like a lot. So I will definitely be getting a lot of wear out of these, not just in the gym but also just in day-to-day life, because they're genuinely really comfortable leggings, as well as just, you know, good workout leggings. And I really love the Gymshark branding. I feel like that looks really cute as well. I think these retailed at £40, but I got 10% student discount, so, you know, can't really go wrong. So also from Gymshark, I got the Energy Plus Seamless Sports Bra. I really needed a new sports bra because, not gonna lie, my other sports bras are just knackered. Like, I haven't bought new ones in about 3 or 4 years, so I really needed some new ones. And this one is just this sort of, it's very simple design, and it's also not too low cut, because, you know, sometimes with sports bras they can be really low cut, and like when you're doing floor work your boobs are just like, and like you catch these men in the gym looking at you and you're like this, can I help you? It's just my dodgy sports bra. Yeah, it's got this kind of like strappy detailing on the back, which I really love. The only thing I will say is this was a little bit pricey for a sports bra. This retailed at £30. Honestly, do I think it's worth £30? Probably not. It's probably not worth £30. But, you know, I figured it will probably last me a long time, hopefully. If it doesn't, honestly going to be a bit upset that I've spent that kind of money. But, you know, I feel like it's cute, you know. And it goes with the black leggings, and I'll have like a matching set that isn't super garish, because I've got like a lilac Gymshark set, but I feel like I have to have the audacity to walk into the gym wearing all lilac. Do you know what I mean? Whereas I don't have to have the audacity wearing all black. Does that make sense? Moving on. So the final piece that I want to talk about is this Asta crop top from Tala. Now, I did actually buy the Tala leggings last summer, so if you've been watching my vlogs for a long time, you might remember when I bought these. I do love my Tala leggings. Like, they are really sculpting and they definitely make my figure look amazing. The only thing I'm going to say, which I've not seen many people talk about online when they talk about Tala, is that I mean, there's these holes in the middle that I've never had with leggings before, but they've started to like form around the seam, and everyone else who's had these Tala leggings seem to have the same problem. So although I really like the fit of them, like I find that a bit dodgy. With that said, I feel like I just really wanted to try the Asta crop top because I've seen so many people wear it and I just think it looks so nice. And again, it's one of those things that you can either dress up or dress down. You know, if you want to, I could go, you know, I could go to a lecture wearing this, I could go to a business meeting wearing this, I could go on a night out wearing this. It really is one of those tops which I can wear for lots of different occasions. And a flirty zip, a cheeky zip, you know. I'll be living the single life and I'll see a cute guy and I'll go, you alright? So yeah, that's my vision for this. Also, I mean, you can't, the thing with Tala as well is like, obviously, you know, it's Grace Beverley's brand, and at the end of the day it is sustainable, and I really love the fact that the tag has seeds in it, because I'm going to grow that, and I think that'll be a really fun journey for us all to go on, me growing my tag. But yeah, obviously the ethos of this brand is incredible, so, you know, I'm not gonna lie, like, even though I wasn't impressed with the quality of the leggings, I will still buy from the brand because of their ethos and because I really believe in what they stand for. And yeah, I'm excited to wear this. I think this is going to be really cute. So that just about rounds up my summer haul. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you would like a notification every time I upload a new video. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, then my handle is @ella.houghton. Follow me on there for all the most up-to-date information on what is going on in my life, and follow me on TikTok. My handle is @ella.houghton and the last O is a 0. Comment down below the video you'd like to see me film next, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!